Good morning, my dear students of Class 6B. I welcome you all to this new class of English, wherein we are proceeding towards the chapter Who I Am. We have discussed by now the chapter's motive, objective, that this chapter tries to explain the differences into people around us. We get to see so many people around us in this world, but they all are having so many differences in their personalities, in their thoughts, in their interest, everywhere. So, in this chapter, we are trying to take 6 different people from different places, and we will see how each person is unique in their own way. Wherein the chapter began with the story of Radha, who was a girl who loved to climb over trees. Then we saw Nasir, who wanted to be a seed collector. He wanted to save his father's money. Then we saw children Rohit, who wanted to travel the whole world. And now let us study about Sarbjeet, and what he wants to do. I will read for you from the paragraph, and you are going to understand and pay attention. Okay? Now, what makes me very angry is when people don't believe me when I am telling the truth. For example, if I tell my teacher that I couldn't do my homework because Ravi borrowed my book and forgot to return it, or I tell my parents that it wasn't me but my little brother who started the fight, or if I tell my teacher that I really did study for the test 7 if I have got bad marks, they all look at me as if they think that I am lying to them. I am telling lies. The look on their faces really angers me. Sometimes I have to look down at my shoes and count to 10. I do not show that I am angry. Now, with this paragraph, we have come to see that this child, Sarbjeet, is very angry person. He gets angry on small things. Then, if the major thing which makes him angry is when he says the truth and people are not believing him. Children, are you understanding this thing? That if he tells the truth, people are not believing him, right? So he gets angry on these things. For example, children, if you come to me and genuinely tell me that yes ma'am, I was doing my work and the book from which I was doing was left at my home in the morning, I forgot. So maybe you are genuinely telling me, but some naughty students always try to make excuse. So the teacher used to look at him that he is lying. But if you see this person personally, he was very angry because nobody is believing. The teacher is not believing, the parents are not believing, isn't it? So these things, so these things make him angry. Let us see the explanation and the difficult word, borrowed. Borrowed means to take something from oneself, from someone for oneself. For example, if I am not having a pen, I will borrow it from my partner. So this is the meaning of borrow, to take something for my own. So let us see the explanation of this. Sarbjeet felt angry when people showed disbelief in him. When he spoke the truth, people did not believe him. They thought that he was lying to them. But he couldn't complete his work because Ravi borrowed his book and did not return it. Or second case, he couldn't score good marks in spite of the fact that he has studied very hard. Third case, or even if it was a matter of fight, the parents were not believing him that it was his younger brother who started the fight. No one was ready to believe him, neither his teachers nor his parents. So this disbelief in himself makes Sarbjeet very angry. He tried to control his anger by doing what? counting from 1 to 10. And he does not let his teachers or parents know that he is angry. So children, you might get a question on these things. What did Sarabjit do when he used to get anger? You will write the three things. He used to look down. Number 2, he used to count from 1 to 10. And number 3, he did not let others know that he is angry. So children, now for today's class I will explain only for Sarabjit, and then in the next class Dolma and Peter. With this we will complete the chapter, and I will attach the questions and answers with that. So thank you so much children. Please read the chapter and come back in the next class with full preparation. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.